Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because we have something truly exciting to reveal. Right in front of me is the brand new 2025 Audi TT, and we're about to unbox it together. Let's get started and take a first look at this beauty. Audi has always delivered stunning designs, but this one takes it to the next level. The moment this box opens, I can already tell we're in for a treat. Alright, let's carefully remove the packaging. And here it is. Wow! Just look at this sleek, aerodynamic shape. Audi has refined the TT's legendary design while keeping that aggressive, sporty DNA intact. The new LED lighting gives it a futuristic touch, and the lines flowing through the body make it look fast even when standing still. Moving closer, you can see the signature front grille with that sharp honeycomb pattern, perfectly complementing the redesigned headlights. And check out those wheels, lightweight alloys that scream performance. Let's get inside. Opening the door, you immediately notice Audi's attention to detail. The premium materials, the driver-focused cockpit, and of course, the latest virtual cockpit display. Everything is digital, intuitive, and just stunning to look at. And under the hood, Audi has packed this TT with a powerhouse. The turbocharged engine delivers thrilling performance, and with quattro all-wheel drive, this car is ready to dominate any road. This is just the beginning. We are going to take it for a spin, test out all the features, and see what this 2025 Audi TT is truly capable of. So stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the new TT? Would you drive one? See you in the next video.